Everyone, today I'm going to show you an Instant Pot recipe. It's a Vietnamese dish. It's basically riblets, pork riblets with mustard greens. It's a very savory dish that you can eat with rice. It's amazing, and I'll show you how to do that. So for this, I have about this is 3 or 4 pounds of the pork ribs, and then you'll need an onion. Typically I would put garlic as well, but I'm out of garlic. And then shallots as well. That makes it really delicious. But I'm just gonna use what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this up, okay? Just gonna do a rough chop. These slices don't have to be too thin. I kind of like my onions a little bit thicker. I love onions, so I'll put a whole onion in there. This is a pretty medium-sized onion. Careful. These get kind of slippery. Be careful. Okay, set onions aside. Okay, so now I'm just going to start cutting these riblets. See the two bones? I like to just cut them like this. This is more bite size. This one is good to use if you want to make some sort of soup. You can cook that up. I'm just going to leave. I think I'm going to leave this whole so I can make some sort of soup later with those bones. But I'll use up this rest of this meat for our dish today. Okay, so this is all we have so far. All the riblet meats and some onions, and now I'll get the Instant Pot ready. So right now I have my Instant Pot on, and it's on saute mode in normal status. I'm letting this heat up, and what we're going to start off with is I have a 1/3 cup of sugar right here. We're going to get a nice caramel sauce going on real quick, okay? So we can sorry about that, my dog. So we can just get a good caramel color on the meat. Okay, so we have a pretty good caramelized color going on right there. I'll go ahead and add my riblets now. Right now I still have it on saute mode. I'm going to add my onions. mix it up pretty well. Okay, next I'll put some garlic powder. And I'm gonna do, okay, for fish sauce, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. This is the brand I use, it's my favorite. That's 1/2, and here's a full tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna give it a good mix. Smells delicious so far. Wow. Okay, my next ingredient is black pepper. This is the one I use. Just gonna grind some in. The more, the better. Okay. Just adding a little bit more garlic powder. It's my favorite. And let's give it a good mix. Okay, now to this mixture I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. Okay, make sure everything is mixed well. Okay, we are set to get this pressure cooked. Now I'm going to hit cancel because it's on saute mode right now, and I'll go ahead and put this on, make sure it's on sealing. Now I'm going to hit manual, and nope, we're not doing it for 65 minutes. We're gonna move this down all the way to 15 minutes. Okay, so at 15 minutes it will cook for 15, and then when we come back we'll let it auto release for about 5 to 10 minutes. There you go. And then we'll add the mustard greens and have it in saute mode for a while. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been natural releasing for 18 minutes. I just now released it. I put it on venting, so it should be any minute now. Okay, so our mustard greens, I'm using 2 packages of these. This is our favorite, sour mustard in brine. So I'm going to remove these from the packaging and then put it in a colander and then kind of give it a quick rinse, you know, and then I'll come back and chop these up. Okay, so I'm going to give these a quick rinse. Okay, so now I'm just going to give this a rough chop. Yeah, these mustard greens are our favorite. It adds, okay, so the pork riblets are very savory, and then this adds a crunch to it, and also with a sour, kind of like a sour taste to it. It's amazing combination. So cut some more here. Sorry for the background noise. I didn't realize my little Roomba robot vacuum just started, so I apologize for the noise. You guys can find these at any Asian market. They're usually like in the cold refrigerated sections near the kimchi probably. So like I said, these are our favorite. It's the perfect combination with that pork dish. Okay, that's all of it. I'll set this to the side. Okay, so it's released. So now I'm just going to carefully remove the lid. Woo! Smells delicious in this house. Okay, so here is our pork riblet dish. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, and the color is just great. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and add my mustard greens. Oh, by the way, I'm going to hit cancel on my Instant Pot. Now I'm just going to click saute and leave it on normal. Now let's give this a mix. Oh, this is amazing. I like to add a little bit extra black pepper. So give me just a second. Okay, yeah, and this meat should be super tender now. This is so amazing. The smell right now, I wish you guys could smell this, but it's amazing. Okay, so this has been on manual or saute mode for 5 minutes now. I'm just letting it go for just a few more minutes, but this dish is essentially done. I mean, this is amazing. If you guys like a little bit of spicy, you guys could chop up some jalapenos and add that in, chili powder, whatever you want. But I'm going to dish this up and show you how we would normally eat it. Be right back. Okay, so I packed up some rice into a small bowl like this. Now I'll just go ahead and add it here to my plate. Now I'll go ahead and add my pork rib dish. To the plate. I normally would put it on in a bowl, but just for presentation sake, I'm doing a plate real quick. Just to make it look nice. Yeah, this is my fiance's most favorite dish. Perfect. If you want, you can add a little bit of sauce. done. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make this dish. If you guys try it, let me know how it turns out. If you guys like this recipe, then please give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for future Instant Pot recipes.